The use of individual assessments based on the Big Five model for soft skills, mapping within teams, offers numerous advantages. Eggup's proprietary algorithm analyzes the results to optimize team composition and role distribution, maximizing team potential in terms of performance, effectiveness, and engagement. The benefits of the soft skills mapping process are numerous. These include optimization of team performance. The mapping process helps identify each team member's strengths based on the Big Five personality traits: extroversion, agreeableness, conscientiousness, emotional stability, and openness to experience. This allows for assigning roles and responsibilities so each team member can work in areas where they naturally excel, thus optimizing the team's overall performance. Improved collaboration and communication. Understanding the soft skills and personality traits of team members facilitates communication and collaboration. Eggup's algorithm identifies optimal team functions: brain, hand, people, enabling leaders to form groups that make the most of these interpersonal dynamics. Increased engagement and satisfaction. Assigning roles based on soft skills not only boosts productivity, but also enhances employee engagement and satisfaction. Employees are more motivated when they feel that their personal traits are recognized and valued. Targeted professional development. With a clear understanding of soft skills, companies can offer more tailored training and development opportunities. Development plans can be customized to address specific skill gaps or to further strengthen existing strengths. What does a skills mapping process entail? Let's go through its steps together. Individual assessment. Each team member completes an assessment based on the Big Five model, which evaluates personality traits across various aspects crucial for teamwork. Data analysis. The collected data is analyzed by Eggup's proprietary algorithm, which calculates each individual's potential in terms of team functions: brain, hand, people, and specific roles, for example, problem solver, achiever. Team mapping and roles. The algorithm identifies the best candidates for each team role based on their compatibility with the required traits. This process helps establish an effective distribution of roles within the team. Report and feedback. A detailed report is generated, providing an overview of the team's soft skills, functions, and each member's roles. This report can be used to discuss progress, plan future developments, and adjust team composition if needed. The final output of this process not only improves team management, but also provides valuable data for future strategic decisions, such as hiring or organizational changes. Using this information, companies can create more harmonious and efficient work environments where each team member has the opportunity to contribute to the best of their abilities. Let's take a closer look at the team report. In the initial section of the document, immediately following the cover and table of contents, there is a list of participants involved in the analysis. This list is organized in a table displaying the names and surnames of the analyzed individuals. Eggup's proprietary matching algorithm, inspired by Belbin's team performance model, has been adapted to integrate the Big Five theoretical framework. Consequently, the report generated through the Eggup platform operates within a well-defined scope, following specific guidelines. Team size. The analysis is ideal for teams composed of 3 to 9 members. Below 3 people, the group is considered a pair, while for groups with more than 9 members, it is recommended to divide them into subgroups for more detailed analysis. Report applicability. The report is particularly useful for highly interdependent teams, where one member's output becomes another's input. Typical examples of interdependent teams include those in marketing, design and development, and HR administration. Conversely, teams such as sales teams, where members operate more independently, are not considered optimal for this type of analysis. These guidelines ensure that the analysis is applied in contexts where it can be most effective and produce significant results for improving team performance. On the following page, the main team indicators are presented as follows: team potential, team performance potential index, team effectiveness, team potential effectiveness index, team commitment, team emotional engagement index. On the following pages, a series of insights about the primary team functions are represented. Brain, the ability to propose new ideas and solve problems. Hand, the skill and inclination to effectively carry out planned activities. People, the team's relational abilities. These insights are presented through charts and detailed tables. Next, a percentile table is presented showing the distribution of each team member across 5 team roles as follows. Problem solver, responsible for effectively and efficiently solving problematic situations while minimizing time loss. They use creative thinking, define problems, identify resources, and manage priorities. Coworker, focuses on practically and emotionally supporting team members, positively influencing the relational and work climate. They understand others' needs, cooperate, provide empathetic support, and contribute to the development of tasks. Scheduler, responsible for planning and organizing activities, optimizing their development and process. They analyze, organize, plan, optimize resources, and maintain a short, medium, and long-term vision. Surveyor, responsible for monitoring and verifying progress, ensuring adherence to schedules and planned activities. They track time and cost adherence, verify project progress, and report both advancements and discrepancies. Achiever, responsible for completing the planned tasks through project implementation. They're able to actively listen, carry out assigned tasks, transform directives into concrete activities, generate procedures and best work practices, and complete tasks while respecting costs and deadlines. At the end of the report, it indicates who can take on the role of team coordinator, emphasizing that this role is not the same as a leader. Instead, it refers to the individual with the greatest potential to make the team's activities effective. This indicator is just one part of leadership, which should also consider experience, seniority, and technical expertise, dimensions that are not evaluated in the team report by Eggup. The final section provides a concise summary of each participant's profile based on the Big 5 personality model.